Hi, I'm back again. Let's look at some of the numbers, and let's say I asked you to graph y equal 2 sine x. Well, I'm going to do the exact same thing I did before. I'm not going to go into detail of it. Y equal 2 sine x. And let's look at what we have. Again, 0, but I'm not going to use every number this time. What I'm going to do is let's use 0, 90, 180, 270, and 360. Well, 2 times sine of 0, since sine of 0 is 0, that's equal to 2. 2 times sine of 90, well, sine of 90 is 1, sine of 0 is 0. Sine of 90 is 1, so 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times sine of 180, we're back again, 0. 2 times sine of 270, which happens to be 2 times negative sine of 90, which happens to be negative 1. So 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. And 2 times sine of 360, and since once again we end up at the same spot that we started with, that's 2 times sine of 0, which is 0. And don't forget what we had in the other graph, that's the sine curve. So if that's the case, let's look at what we have. Okay. If this is the graph of y equals sine of x, y equals sine of x, because everything doubled, this is called y equal 2 sine of x. Just so you notice, y equal a sine x. A is your amplitude. Now, what do you think would have happened if I would have said y equals negative 2 sine x? Well, we're going to do the exact same table, but don't forget negative times a negative is a positive, and a negative times a positive is a negative. And the only difference would have been, it would have gone the other way. So this would be y equal negative 2 sine x. Now what I'm going to ask you to do, instead of me teaching it, is I'm going to ask you to try the exact same thing with cosine. And I'm going to give you at the end the answer to it. And then we're going to add in the frequency piece. But let's try cosine. Turn the video off and try y equals cosine x, then cosine 2x, 2 cosine x, 2 cosine x, and then negative 2 cosine x. Try the 3 of them. Turn the video off and go through the process. Don't look at a calculator and get the answer, because that's the easy way of doing it. Take a couple of minutes to go through the process. What's the cosine of 0, the cosine of 30, the cosine 45, cosine 90, and go through that whole process that I just went through with you, teaching you the sine video. And then you'll get a better appreciation and understanding, and then we'll go to the next video. Thank you.